with crystals, which is, I love it because it's so sparkle all the way and it's glow in the dark. Who doesn't like it? I like it a lot. And if you have extras of Precision Glue Gel, which is awesome, you are going to receive it during a sales. You will get this one for free. How? All your order is over $150 after taxes, not included taxes and discounts and shipping, and your total order is $150. Then you are going to receive the Precision Glue Gels. You do not need to add it in your cart because we are going to ship it with your order for you. I'm gonna check. If you're scratchy, then it's the way you want to add it on. But if it looks really good, you do not have to worry about it. Here. Free. Right, Dom? It's so amazing. Thanks so much for the amazing love and support. We hit 3 years in one of our milestone in so many years. And Balance will say that 10 years, that means that free, right? 10 years is 100% discount. All right, so we are going to cure this. I check on all of the beads and the edges, so then there are no gap and edges. It's really cool. You can cure. So I don't know. I dress it up a lot on the third one. I said, okay, I'm gonna get you so many different colors. And this one, we get her with crystals. Yes, Brazil. Now next you have to order 2 order. So it's counting in 2 ones on if per order. I mean, so you can do 10 times of 150. Yes, and you get 10 Precision Glue Gels. Make sure they're all after the. It's not including shippings